Hey boys and girls, so we've got a direct drawing for what sound, what sound, what sound, how do I write T? Alright, so we're going to do a tiger, tiger, and do my best with a tiger. Alright, let's give him a circle for his head. We're going to give him an oval for his body and 2 ears. Alright, then he has 4 legs, so we're going to do his legs. I'm going to come down and do 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, got his legs. Go ahead and do that. And then they have a long tail. Go ahead and do that. So on his eyes, we're going to do an, ooh, let me try that again. And again, and again. Okay. They're more of an oval shape with a dot inside. What sound? What sound? What sound? How do I write T? Alright, I'm going to try this again. This one's kind of tricky to do with your finger. Again, if I were doing this on paper, it would be much better. Alright, that's pretty good. Alright, so then, oh, his nose is a little different this time. So we're going to come down like a line, come down on the other side like a line, and close it with an oval. And then we're still going to give him the cat mouth. Okay. Alright, so he's got stripes on his body. So I'm wondering, Miss Nora's going to try something first. I'm going to see if I can color in some of his body first and then go back and do the stripes. I'm going to see if it'll let me. So hang tight just a second. I'm going to color in his body while I'm doing that. Let's think of some other things that have what sound, what sound, what sound. How do I write T? So we've got tiger, tooth, the word terrible, tooth fairy, toothbrush, toothpaste, a bird called a toucan, time, table. Do you know the tiger named Tigger from Winnie the Pooh? Tigger. Tractor, truck. Alright, let me check and see if I can go back and do some stripes on them now. Yay! Okay, so before we color the rest, let's go ahead and write the word tiger. So what sound? T. What sound? T. What sound? T. How do I write T? T I G E R. Tiger. I forgot to go back and do the smaller parts of his ears. Sorry, boys and girls. You can go ahead and do that. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and give him some stripes on his body. I know these look like triangles, but I'm going to go back in and color them in for his stripes, okay? And then his tail has some stripes. And then his legs just have some lines, which I'll probably have to color back over. And then I think it's got some stripes on his face. Yep. Alright, I'm going to try to do his stripes on his face. There we go. Alright, so I'm going to finish coloring in his body orange. And then I'm going to probably have to go back and fix his stripes. So, let's think. What else starts like t? Tinkerbell. Toes. The bug called a tick. What else starts with tuna? That's a type of fish. Lots of people like to eat tuna fish. Some names start with T, like Tim or Timothy. Tomato. Ooh, I love tomatoes. Ooh, you know what I love that starts with T? I can't believe I didn't think of this first. Tacos. Ooh, I love tacos. Tacos, tacos. All right, the inside of the small part of his ears are pink. Okay. All right, then it has the pink for his nose. Oh, I forgot his whiskers too. They were so small I didn't see them. All right, I'm going to try to color his face in first, and then I'll see if I can go back over it. I may just mess this up. We'll see. Hopefully I didn't mess it up too bad. Let's see. What sound? What sound? What sound? How do I write T? All right, let's see if I can fix his face. I'm going to go back in and do his eyes. Yay! Oh, no! Okay, so I'm going to undo all that coloring if it'll let me. Will it let me undo it? There we go. Okay, I don't know. Again, boys and girls, I don't know why sometimes it works and sometimes it doesn't. So I'm going to go in and color his stripes in. You're going to color his stripes in too. Okay, and then I'm going to add some whiskers on his face there. Alright, let's see if it'll let me color in. See, like over here, it'll let me color in. No, it's not. It's not on this one. Okay, I have no idea. Boys and girls, this thing is a little bit crazy. Sometimes it lets me, sometimes it doesn't. I don't know. Alright, let's see if I can at least get a little bit of his face in here. Orange here. Color in the white space as best I can. And of course, yours is going to look better. Alright, so again, what sound? What sound? What sound? How do I write T? And we have tiger today. Alright, boys and girls, can't wait to see yours. Bye-bye.